Today I'm gonna make one of my favorite appetizers slash snacks. It's sausage, bacon, cream cheese, jalapenos. They're called pig shots. Let me show you how to make them. This, my friends, is a pork sausage and will be the main ingredient in our recipe. To start, I'm gonna cut my sausage into discs, nice and even, about a 1/4 inch thickness. Next up, we've got our bacon. Unlike the sausage, there's one key thing to keep in mind when you purchase your bacon for this recipe. You want to be sure you get nice, thick slices just like this one. This is going to be kind of the wall of our pig shooter, so you want to make sure it's nice and thick so it can hold up. Cut your bacon in half. Next, we'll take our bacon and wrap it around the sausage disc, making our pig shot. Take a toothpick and poke it right through the center so everything stays in place. And this is what you're going to end up with, a nice little vessel to hold our filling. So you got the sausage on the bottom, you got the bacon wrapped around, and plenty of space to hold our filling. And this is why it's important to get thicker cut bacon, so the walls, our pig shot, can stay upright. If you get thin cut bacon, it's just gonna fall apart. Before we fill these guys up, I'm gonna put them on a wire rack and place this whole thing in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. Putting this in the freezer is a very important step. It's gonna help firm up the bacon so we can put more of our filling inside, and you end up with a much better final product. Pig shots are in the freezer. Let's start on the filling. To start, we're gonna go in with a block of softened cream cheese, a handful of shredded cheddar cheese, about a tablespoon of my all-purpose barbecue seasoning, and finally I'm gonna add some of these chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And here's what they look like out of the can. So you get these beautiful chipotle peppers, a delicious adobo sauce. They're a nice mild heat, little smoky flavor, and they will work super well with our pig shots. Gonna take out about 3 or 4 of these chipotle peppers and chop them up. Make sure they are nice and finely chopped. Add the chipotle peppers to our cream cheese mixture and we'll mix everything up, making sure it's well combined. Check this thing out. This filling is looking and smelling amazing. You can see the chipotle peppers. We've got the cream cheese, the shredded cheese, the barbecue seasoning, so it'll be delicious. To make the filling process easier, I'm gonna put the stuffing into a Ziploc bag, squeeze it down to one corner. We'll cut the tip off and then use this as our piping bag for the pig shots. You can prep the filling ahead of time. You can do it the night before to make it quicker for the day that you're actually going to be making these, and this works great as a filling for other recipes. Use it in jalapeno poppers, stuffed chicken breasts, stuffed pork chops. It's a delicious, creamy, spicy, smoky filling, and it goes great with everything. I'm going to be making these on my big green egg that's set up for indirect grilling. I just got it fired up and I'm going to bring it up to about 350 degrees. You can make this at home on any cooker or any grill that you might have. Just be sure to set up for indirect heat so the bacon doesn't burn. Pig shots are out of the freezer, and as you can see, they firmed up nicely. That bacon is nice and firm, so now we can fill these guys up. Take your piping bag with the filling and then just fill the inside to the top, just like this. And to finish them off, I'll top each one with a thin slice of jalapeno. And my pig shots are ready to hit the grill. They are looking really good. I was short on filling for one of them, so one's gonna be cooked plain. 45 minutes later, and our pig shots are ready. And check these out. You get this beautiful crispy bacon, the filling, the jalapeno, got the sausage underneath. This is a delicious bite. Before you try them out, be sure to let them cool down. They're gonna be super hot, fresh off the grill, so let them cool down just a bit, and then they are ready to go. You can also add a little bit of barbecue sauce on the bacon if you like that. Give it a little bit more of a sweet finish, but they're also good to go on their own, exactly like this. One last thing to do is to remove the toothpick, and now we can give these guys a try. Wow, these are delicious. You get that nice combination of all the flavors, a little sweet, spicy, tangy, creamy. You get that crispy bacon, the savory sausage, a little pop of heat from the jalapeno that's on top. This is delicious. These are perfect as a snack, appetizer. If you got people coming over, whip up a batch of these guys, and they are delicious. And as far as the cooking process goes, you can keep them on the grill and cook them to your liking. If you like the bacon a little bit more crispy, keep them on the grill longer. If you want to have a little bit more chew to it, pull them off sooner. Super easy to make, just a couple of simple ingredients, and they are delicious. And a quick shout out to the team at Truth Barbecue out of Houston, Texas. This video is dropping on YouTube on Wednesday, and on Thursday starts the Windy City Smokeout. It's one of my favorite barbecue events of the entire year. Happens in Chicago from Thursday through Sunday, and I'm going to be with Team Truth all 4 days. So if you're going, stop by the tent, get some food. It's going to be an amazing event. And on that note, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you guys like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see me cook next, and I'll hang out here and finish eating my delicious barbecue pig shots. Oh.